Vaccinated people could still get COVID-19, but likely very rare. The reason why medical scientists create vaccines is to protect people from getting infections. For years, vaccines have been a proven way to mimic natural immunity without letting people suffer from severe symptoms. Vaccines are also one way to avoid complications of the immune system, like immune amnesia where it has forgotten how to fight, which the measles virus can do. But could someone vaccinated against COVID-19 still contract the disease? Two new studies provide insight into the matter. It's possible for vaccinated people to get COVID-19, but the chances are very rare. One study found that only 4 of 8,121 fully vaccinated employees at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center became infected. The other study also found a small number out of a large cohort. Published in the New England Journal of Medicine, the second study included the 5,455 healthcare workers at the University of California, San Diego, and 9,535 at the University of California, Los Angeles. These workers have received the second dose of COVID-19 vaccines, 2 or more weeks previously as of February 9. Researchers wrote that the absolute risk of testing positive for COVID-19 after vaccination was 1.19% among healthcare workers at UCSD, while 0.97% among those at UCLA. They also wrote that these rates were higher than the risks reported in the clinical trials of Pfizer's and Moderna's vaccines. In simple numbers, 7 of 14,990 individuals in the study tested positive for the coronavirus. They clarified that several factors might explain why the rates were higher than the risks. One of those is the surge of COVID-19 cases in Southern California during vaccination campaigns. With more people getting sick, more healthcare workers are exposed to the virus. Not to mention the likely presence of new variants thought to be more infectious. We felt really strongly that this data should not lead people to say, "Let's all get vaccinated and then we can all stop wearing masks," said Dr. Francesca J. Toriani, the lead author of the California study. Still, COVID-19 vaccines remain relevant in those who contracted the disease after vaccination. Although they tested positive, it doesn't mean that the vaccines won't do anything. The drugs could speed up their recovery and prevent serious symptoms, which might result in hospitalization and death. According to the New York Times, there are many unknowns that scientists are yet to unravel, including the vaccine's performance in compromised immune systems, which may produce weaker responses to vaccines.